A lot of sunny times and a lot of warm times we experienced this weekend. That is continuing today on our Monday. Right now, temperatures not as warm as they were yesterday, where they actually broke a few records. But today, 63 degrees. The sun is still here, and those temperatures being kept a little bit down because of those strong southwesterly winds at 17 in this moment, even though the humidity is relatively low at 33%. Temperatures all throughout the UP right now in those mid to upper 60s. 68 in Ontonagon is the warm spot, 64 in Crystal Falls and Florence, 61 in Houghton. Further towards the east, about the same cool spot right now, Munising at 59, 63 in Sault Ste. Marie. But those winds coming out of the south mostly throughout this afternoon into the evening. 14 in Iron Mountain, 14 in Munising, 13 in Escanaba. A lot more stronger towards the west in Ironwood at 24, where the clouds are already starting to march in for them. Gusts already around the mid 20 mile per hour range, 26 in Ironwood, 25 in Marquette, 24 in Sault Ste. Marie. A little more calmer as we go towards the lower peninsula. The strong spot in the lower peninsula is 17 in Manistee. But for us, looking at what's ahead for the next couple of days, the showers are going to begin to arrive tonight with the clouds. We're going to begin to see a transitional clearing tomorrow, but we are still going to have showers at least for the first half to 2/3 of the day. And by the time we get into your Wednesday, better times again with the sunshine returning through the entire UP. But uniform temperatures this afternoon on this Monday all throughout the Wolverine State. 60s all around, 68 in Alpena, 64 in Oscoda, 66 in the Motor City, 69 in Traverse City, 60 in Escanaba. The changes in the last 24 hours are not that noticeable in the lower peninsula, but in the UP we're already starting to see a split within those temperature changes. 9 degrees warmer in Sault Ste. Marie, so the eastern UP really begin to see a lot more of that warmer air, even though it was a little bit cooler for them yesterday, while towards the west, it's the flip of the coin. We're starting to see temperatures a little bit cooler than they were yesterday. 7 in Ironwood, 5 degrees in Marquette, 6 in Iron Mountain. That's mostly due to just strong winds kicking up, so temperatures haven't been able to rise to the 70s like they did yesterday. Satellite radar shows line of showers. This is associated with a frontal system that's already starting to push its way into the UP. Already some clouds already starting to enter towards cities like Ironwood. By the time we look at the system, it's going to bring in some cooler air behind it, but not really the strongest cold air we're going to see just yet. That'll be more towards the end of the week. We'll see a little more stronger, colder air, but ahead of it, a lot of that southerly flow, warm temperatures, records already being broken throughout the state of Michigan for tomorrow. That warmer air now pushes its way towards the northeast, while unfortunately for the Wolverine State and parts of the Midwest, you will need that rain gear. It will be a soggy election day. Futurecast shows the clouds increasing throughout the afternoon into the evening, a couple of showers throughout the first part of the day. By tonight, though, 44 degrees, increasing clouds and those showers with the winds coming out of the west-southwest at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Looking at the winds still now coming out of the north at 15 to 20, so we'll still be a breezy one, even though temperatures are going to be flirting close to that 50-degree mark, so almost a 20-degree difference from what they were on Sunday. So it will be a breezy. It will be gloomy, unfortunately, on this election day. So do be prepared if you are going to be in those lines with those showers coming through. Overall, above average temperatures will continue for the majority of the week. The only exception will be Friday, when those afternoon highs will finally drop to back to seasonable values, and we deal with a stronger cold front. Morning lows will be tiptoeing back towards the freezing mark by the weekend.